Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia. I am ready to jump into today's video. I have pre-put my hair, I have washed my hair, I have purple masked my hair, I have deep conditioned my hair, I have scalp treated my hair, I have used the lock method on my hair, and I am ready to style my hair with Soultanicals. I recently bought the Curl Box Soultanicals exclusive, where they featured 5 Soultanicals products curated specifically for curl box. You can view that video here, and the subsequent videos from that one leading to this one have all been using products from the curl box. So we're at the end of that series where I am going to be using the Aloe Be Thy Mane Ayurvedic hair gel, and I cannot wait. This sounds amazing. It's supposed to make your hair frizz free, strong hold without being crunchy, and at the same time moisturizing and nourishing and giving your hair just like all the amazingness that it could have. And I am here for it. Since I have done already the lock method base, which is I've gone in with my leave-in, my oil, and my cream, all by Soultanicals except for the oil, which is black Jamaican castor oil, I am ready to style my hair. I always get super apprehensive when I have to use a new styler. This gel feels really liquid because I don't know how my hair is going to turn out, but I have a great track record with Soultanicals. I've honestly never had anything that I haven't liked. Trying to make the pump work. Why is the pump not working? So I'm having issues with the pump. Woo! Good. Feels very liquid. Let's see how it works. Ooh, it does come on as really liquid. Ooh, it smells so good. What are you? It has aloe juice, marshmallow, argan, and hibiscus. And it smells like apples to me. To know me is to know I'm really bad with scents. This is really weird because it's so liquid and it doesn't feel like it would have any hold. I'm intrigued. But you know, once I apply it on the hair, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel this goodness. So I don't know how much to go in with. I really don't. But I don't feel like it's going to weigh my hair down. So I'm just going to make sure my entire head of hair is really fully coated in it. I'm probably going to do overkill, but I don't care. I don't care. It's Soultanicals. It's never going to like make my hair feel gross. And this, I have a feeling that once it dries, it's going to feel so good. It has that gel element. You know, like how sometimes you put gel in your hair and it just feels astringent? That's like the only way I can describe it. Like if you're sucking on a lemon and the hair's going like this, it has a tiny hint of that. It's like it wants to go there, but it's not going there. It's more moisturizing and full of slip than other gels. That's my first reaction, which makes it feel like I haven't put enough in my hair. So maybe kind of like that's the danger zone where you might feel like that and you do have enough in your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start diffusing. And then if I feel that my hair is looking frizzy along the way, before it's fully dry, I might add more. So I've already put in quite a bit. So I think that's kind of the way of circumventing overdoing it, especially when you're trying a new product. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse, and the verdict is I am speechless. Oh my god. My hair is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I did not go in with more. I did not need to go in with more. I thought I would because it felt so light and it felt so moisturizing and it felt so non-sticky and it felt so unlike a gel. But look, it feels amazing. I mean, they hit the nail on the head. This gives you incredible hold. My curls are super springy. These were like in one big spiral. I separated them, but my god, amazing. And it's so soft to the touch. I can't even begin to tell you. And there was no need to scrunch at all. Let me turn around before I forget. This is just, I haven't looked at the back of my head, so I have no idea how it looks, but I have a feeling it must look bomb. Bomb. This is incredible. An amazing experience. What a wash day. I'm in heaven. But before I blab on right now, I'm gonna leave that to the end segment of the video. I will be living with this for this wash cycle. What I do when I refresh is that I go back in every day and I wet my hair with my water and aloe vera juice mix, and then I go in with my lock method, all Soultanicals products, styler, and I diffuse. So let's see how I do. Do I need styler every day? Do I not? And if I do use it every day, how does it feel on the hair? I'll report back in the day before I am due to wash my hair, meaning at the end of this wash cycle. And the verdict is I am back, and this is day 8. Woohoo! I did not see this coming, but the Aloe Be Thy Mane Ayurvedic hair gel is hands down one of my favorite, mind-blowingly surprising stylers that I could ever have tried in my life. It's really perplexing because, see, it's really liquid. Do you see how liquidy it is? I use it every day because it felt so amazing, but a little does go a long way. I mean, I've used a lot. I think I used the most on wash day, but pretty much I would do 1 or 2 pumps and that was it. It's very liquidy. And then you put it in the hair, but somehow it infuses your entire hair so well. It's just like, it envelops every strand in a very, what's the word? Nurturing, juicy. I keep thinking juicy in a very juicy way and very nurturing, and it just feels hydrating, so hydrating and so amazing. And everything that they claim that it'll give you frizz-free, firm curls that are meticulously styled with no crunch is absolutely true. And like the whole Ayurvedic line from the Curl Box, the products are all, especially this gel too, infused with amino acids and vitamins and minerals and all this incredible stuff that strengthens and fortifies the hair and promotes elasticity. And I can absolutely attest to the fact that that's how my hair feels. My hair feels strong. The curls felt incredible and defined. Again, this is day 8 hair. I've had a full day. I haven't really fluffed or primed and prepared my hair really too much for the video, and I feel that it looks incredible. And the volume the entire time, every single day, has been unparalleled. I don't even know. You people are witchy. I mean, Ayo Agun, you are a witchy woman. How do you come up with hit after hit after hit after hit? This gel is amazing. A critique that I made in the video about the Curl Box is that I just wish all these products were readily available and available all the time, because okay, I got this in the Curl Box, but am I going to be able to get it again? Because I want it again. Because I can't get enough. I want it all the time. I want more. And I'm in love with this gel. I wish I could buy it all the time, but it's not available on the website yet. I believe they are going to be coming out with an Ayurvedic line, and hopefully it'll be a staple. But beyond just Soultanicals.com, I really do wish that it was available everywhere. Target, Walgreens, Ulta, Sally Beauty, everywhere. Everywhere. That would be my #1 wish. And that's it. Another hit by Soultanicals. You guys are just knocking them out of the park, and I just can't get enough. I want more. So bring it. And if you've tried this gel, how did it work out for you? Because I cannot rave about it enough. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more. Ciao for now.